guys, my name is Santosh. You're watching Smart Tech. In this video, we'll be unboxing this. That is the Honor Band 5. And we are starting right now. So first here, you get the band itself. I have turned on the band. It's nice to see the band here. Here's the band. And let's keep it apart and see what's inside more. A cable here. It's kind of like, you get another connector here too. So with this you can charge the band by connecting it like this and just connecting it to an adapter. So adapter, you have to only take any adapter you want, you can take. You get a user manual, a guide in different languages. Okay, now let's move on to the band itself. So first you get the band itself. The band comes with some various features like the music player, the messages, settings, workout. In workout you can choose like outdoor, indoor, connect your mobile and start it and do anything you want. You even get the steps count here. You can put your maximum steps you want for a day and just till record. I have done for 10,000 steps. I have walked 40% of 10,000 steps. You get a good heart monitoring here. And so Honor Band 5 had done an update. So it was the oxygen level. It just says the oxygen level of your thing. I don't know if it's true or fake, but it's like good for testing it. This was the new update given by Honor Band 5. Just go to the app and update it. It is a very simple method for using it. Like just go to your mobile, download the health app in your mobile, and there you can just connect to the Honor Band 5 in the easiest way. You can play amazing music here. See your messages. You can even turn on for the apps where you want to get the messages here. Here you get the timer option. You can set timer however you want. Next. Like that, all those kind of things. This watch is really great to wear. I found it very useful for my daily use in my life. All things are great here. It comes with a 50-meter water resistance. So there's an option called UI True M Sleep. That is it counts your sleep based on how much time you sleep and it tells what are your problems. So there are 14 days battery life of continuous use. So you can get multi-sport functional like swimming, cycling, running in this option, right? All those workout here, you get the indoor work, outer work, and you can turn it on. You can even set the target too. So it comes with a swim stroke recognition. Like when you're going to swimming and like when you get a stroke there, it recognizes and it does all the things what are needed. It comes with a large AMOLED screen display, 0.95. Amazing watch faces here too. You keep pressing on the screen like this to get all those amazing faces. You can choose whichever you like, and you can even download some faces which is there in your mobile too. So in my opinion, this is an amazing watch. I know it's really great to use. You get all good features here, and what more? It's really great. It can be said as a daily lifestyle best fitness tracker watch for me. We have come to the end of the video. If you like this video, do subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon on to get all instant updates. And signing up with Santosh from Smart Tech. Do it your name.